Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to see who will like you without gold on Tinder. But first, there's a special offer in the description, so let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, is this still possible? Now, the thing with Tinder here is they do have a section here that allows you to see who liked you. So in this case, if you go to the like section, you'll be able to see a number of people who likes you and also some of their interests. Now, the thing with the like section, by default, it's going to be, or their photos are going to be blurred. But the thing with the like section, you are still able to see what's their vibe, like what's their interest here, as you can see right now, what's their best match to you. But other than that, their name and their photo are going to be blurred. Now, how do you unblur that? Now, typically, in order for you to unblur that, you need to either get Tinder Gold here, which again, you'll be able to see who likes you, top picks, and even like get free super likes if you want to start using those. Now, other than that, is there another way for you to like see someone if they liked you? Well, just to give you some idea, before with the older versions with Tinder, that this is a bug on the previous version of Tinder. Now, if you go to the swipe section, you'll be able to know if someone actually likes you. Now, in this case, if you like, for example, swipe unlike, so if you don't like someone, you could just click on the X or swipe left here, and typically on the next section or in the next page here, you'll be able to see the person that actually likes you. Now, this is like from a previous bug inside Tinder, but as of right now, if I'm not mistaken, they also remove that bug inside the app. So in order for you to use or start using that again, you may need to get an older version of Tinder in order for you to get it. But the thing with this one is, if you're going to get the older version, typically Tinder again will just ask you to update the app, and it's just going to be a hassle. But yeah, as of right now, if you're looking for a way to like a straightforward way to like see who actually likes you, well, the best and easiest way here is just getting Tinder Gold. So if I'm not mistaken, you can actually get a free you could actually get an upgrade here for a lot cheaper if this is the first time you're accessing Tinder. So if I'm not mistaken, like you like for 1 week, this just are like $2. Depending on your area, but usually it's going to be $2 to $5. So you can just try that first and see if that actually if Tinder actually works for you. But as of right now, that's about it. So if you found this video, don't forget to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.